Your next journey is just around the corner, and BMW Financial Services is here to help you move forward with complete confidence. The new My BMW Account End-of-Term Center makes navigating the contract maturity process easier than ever, with clear, personalized guidance on what's required. To get started, log into your My BMW account on your desktop or mobile device or through the My BMW app. Select End of Term Center from the top menu. At the launch screen, choose what you intend to do with your current vehicle. If you are undecided, you are welcome to select Compare Options to explore the different end-of-term options available. You can also contact your BMW retailer with any questions you may have. Once you have made your decision, a clear list of next steps will be available to review in the platform. If you are leasing your vehicle and have chosen to return it in exchange for a new BMW, the process can be easily managed within the platform. You will first be required to book an auto-VIN inspection within 75 days of your contract maturity date. To do so, simply select Book Inspection and enter the last 8 digits of your vehicle identification number followed by your lease account number. Once your auto-VIN inspection is complete, a vehicle inspection report will be available to review. Next, you will be required to return your vehicle to your BMW retailer. All information for this step can be found in the My BMW Account End-of-Term Center. This includes your vehicle return date, retailer contact information, and a lease maturity checklist to help you prepare your vehicle for return. After returning your vehicle, you will receive a final itemized invoice within 2 to 3 weeks, if applicable. Final payment can be made using your checking account on file or via credit card. Once payment has been processed, your lease maturity invoice will be available to download and review. If you have chosen to purchase your BMW, everything you need to know can be found within the My BMW Account End-of-Term Center. To get started, select Purchase My BMW from the initial menu. You will be required to view your payoff details to understand the amount that needs to be paid to take ownership of your BMW. From there, all that's left to do is contact your BMW retailer to complete the next steps and the final payment to own your BMW. It's just that simple. If you have a finance contract with BMW Financial Services, you can choose to keep your vehicle or get into a new BMW. If you choose to keep your vehicle, simply select Keep My BMW from the available options, and you'll be on track to paying off your vehicle. If you instead decide to upgrade to a new BMW, select Get a New BMW from the available options. From here, you can explore available inventory or configure an all-new BMW. If you have an owner's choice contract with BMW Financial Services, you have the option to pay off or refinance your balloon balance at the end of your contract. If you opt to refinance, simply contact your BMW retailer up to 4 months before your contract maturity date. If you instead choose to pay the balloon balance in full, select Pay Balloon Balance within the platform. Select View Details to view your payoff documents, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your payment in the form of certified funds. Once payment has been processed, your lien release document will be mailed and emailed within 10 business days to finalize the process. An exciting new journey is waiting for you, and it all begins at the My BMW Account End-of-Term Center. Discover it today by logging on to your My BMW account.